Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to, how to fix or how to solve the problem of PayPal app. Here we go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about PayPal app and you will click here. In this window of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your